are at Craigmillar Castle. Let's go explore. Northwest corner tower up there, up through here, path to duck. So here's the front. You just walk along here. So I said this is the water inlet. Here's the northeast corner tower with it says openings for guns. This is a newer Cadzow. Dead end. Water of life. So this well here was the main supply of water for the castle. Doesn't look too deep. Probably been filled in. This is a private Gilmore burial aisle. In here, so I can't get in. 26, 2007, 1857 to 1939, 1870 to 1961. All right, let's go back around front and go in. Nice tree here. I guess this is not the road. So this was the stables. With a fireplace. This is my nice stable. See where support beams were, cross beams. And up higher. This is the chamber. At the front of the castle. Stairs Looks like they may have gone up further. Northeast corner uses a dot cove where pigeons were kept for food. It's kind of dark. I don't think my did it show? The screen was dark. Yeah, it's pretty dark. That's where they made the bread. Ovens. So this in here is a prison cell for poor people. And that's the toilet. This is the cellar. I guess they keep food. And there's stairs here going up. This is a two-story storage room. Go through here. That area is closed. And we have stairs going up. We got kids making noise because they catch. This kid can't stop talking. This looks down over the hall. Hey man, how's it going? Pretty good. Up the stairs. I'm not going upstairs. And this is the sick and tired room. Bedroom of Mary Queen of Scots recuperated from illness in 1566 in here. There's the toilet. There's more of the castle. It's a pretty good view down there. I think a lot of that was closed. Got a fireplace down there. Looks like a great hall. And then here's all the way out. Going back up again. Sorry. I'll go this way. Just down there where the washrooms are, that was the chapel. It's got a good view of the surrounding hills. And way off in the distance you can see part of the castle past the second hill. Might be kind of small. Then we have a bay that goes out to the North Sea. And here we go on the other side. Still really good view in case of attack. See as far as the hill over there. There was no sign to say what this room was, so we'll call it a room with a view. Oh, someone's dog down there. You can see here there's new water spout, old water spout, new water spout. And I think all this area down here is closed because of falling rocks. You can see the outer wall. This was a pool in the shape of a P. Okay, so we're at what, Cadzow Castle?
Yeah.
And it's all barred up. But I threw the drone over, so it'll be good. I think it's falling apart. Beautiful spot though. There's like a moat or something. There's a little bridge there, arch. This is below the ruins. There's a really nice bridge that comes through.
The waterfalls.
Forest and a river. There's one side of the river. Yeah. And we'll go down this side. And a little bit of rapids. And the ruins of the castle just up there. This is the other side of the bridge where you walk up through the forest or walk down. Quite peaceful.